Hey, what's up, everybody? This your boy named Jaquan Moultrie. If you're here watching my video for the first time, please give me a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn those notification bells because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online without having experience. And I know some of you brand new beginners are looking for a best way how to start making money with affiliate marketing. But if you are looking for a best way how to start making money on affiliate marketing, then keep watching this video all the way to the end because I'm about to show you a good, amazing program that will allow you to generate some income. Okay, and then you can make over between $2,000 per day. And all you gotta do is put in 30 minutes of your day, 30 minutes in your spare time, and then you could just be, spend the rest of your time, spend the rest of your day with your family, your friends, whoever you with out there. Okay, so without that being said, thank you, and let's get right into the video. All right, guys. So I came to this amazing program called the E1U Life. The E1U Life is an amazing program that will allow you to generate some income because this amazing system changed my life and it could definitely change yours, and it pays the bills for me. So basically, um, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money online instead of wasting your whole time. I'm not going to keep this video too long or short. I'm just going to keep it short and being very, very transparent with you. So make sure you be on the same level as me. Okay. So basically, like I said, we're gonna go to my packages right now. I'm in my back office, as you can see. Okay. So basically, we're in the back office right now. So with this amazing program, you can receive up to $2,000 per day. Okay, you can make up between $30. You can make up to $25 up to $2,000 per day without having zero experience. Okay, and it does pays the bills. So if you want to get started with this amazing program that will allow you to generate between $25 to $2,000 a day per day, then go ahead and click that first link down below so that way you can get full access to this amazing program. Because you're gonna have to pick a package that's you're gonna start receiving commissions, 100% instant commissions, pay direct to you. Okay. So basically, what you get with this package, you get one template, one opt-in template. That's it. Okay. Now, um, it's $30 to get started, but you got to pay the member $25 because this is a member-to-member program that you will have to pay a member $25, and then you got to pay with the one-time admin fee, which is $5. Okay, the Elevation Elite package is 110, so you're gonna have to pay a $10 admin fee, and then you're gonna pay the member $100. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, so let me move myself out the way. Okay, so here it is right here. The Vertex package, which is $275, you're gonna pay the member 250. You're gonna pay the $25, which is the one-time admin fee, and there's no monthly fees right after you pay your first time. All right, and then the next one right here, you're gonna pay the Vertex Elite. You're gonna pay $500. Pay the member 500, and then the one-time admin fee is $50. Okay, and then the Vertex Pro, which is $1,000, you're gonna pay $100, which is the one-time admin fee after you pay your first time. Okay. Last but not least, you're gonna pay Vertex Live package, which is a $2,000, which is the highest package. You're gonna pay $2,000 to the member, and then you're gonna pay the one-time admin fee towards the company, and then that's the one-time admin fee. Okay. So basically, guys, let me tell you something. I know some of you guys are probably saying like, man, this too good to be true to join this amazing program. It might sound too good to be true, but guess what? This will help you pay the bills. Okay? You get paid direct deposit. Okay? You can get paid instantly. But this is a full disclaimer. I'm not gonna guarantee that you will get paid on the same day, but that's if you're willing to put in 30 minutes a day, your spare time, and then put in the work. Okay? So yeah. So I'm gonna go back to the dashboard, right? Right here, these are gonna be your promotion links, okay? So you're gonna promote your links. Okay? So once you join under me, we do have a private Facebook group. So you cannot join the private Facebook group unless you join under me. That's how it goes, okay? because they're gonna ask you if you're trying to search it up on Instagram, if you're trying to search it up on Facebook group, and they ask you who's your sponsor, and you don't know who that is, then you're not gonna able to get through to it because they're gonna look it up. Trust me, they know what's going on. They're gonna tell you, oh, you're not even registered with the company. Well, you're registered, but you don't even pick the package yet. You're not even registered yet. But guys, like I said, if you want to make money online and you want to make up to $2,000 per day, then go ahead and click that first link down below so that way you can get access, okay? And they'll redirect you here to this amazing system, okay? So we're gonna go to another website called uh, Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is it's an online platform that you can drive free traffic, organic free traffic, and creating pins, okay? So basically, uh, you create a business account. So basically, when you create a business account, you get you you start promoting your affiliate links, okay, which is your business, okay. So that means when you create a pin, you're gonna have so many opportunities right there for you, okay. You're gonna have free traffic. So I will leave the link down below if you want to get access to this too, okay. So without that being said, guys, my name is Jaquan Moultrie. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I get to see you guys to join my team. All right? Peace out, y'all. Gone.